Hey there, I want to give you an up close look at this plug-in 8-in-1 gas and CO detector. Now, something I love about this is very portable. As you can see, it just plugs in to the outlet. And I love this for travel. If I go somewhere that doesn't have a carbon monoxide detector, I can take this along with me. And as you can see, it gives you a lot of great readout. Now, we don't have gas cooking in our home. Currently, I just plugged this in the kitchen just so you can see, but you can see it is reading CO gas and it's gonna be at like nothing because we don't have gas in terms of that. And then it also is giving us a reading in parts per million. And you can see it includes temperature as well as relative humidity. And if the alarm goes off, it is very loud. We're not going to do this on the video, but it does have a test button that you can test it to make sure that it is working. And the alarm is very loud and definitely would get your attention. Now, the company sent this to me so I could give you this up close look. Enjoy the portability of this because for travel, it is absolutely fabulous. So easy to throw in your suitcase or bag. And I really hope that this review helped.